next topic is the packet filtering firewall. It is the very interesting topic for the network security engineer. Knowledge of the OSI model is important when we are talking about the IT networking and especially with the security. So that so when we say we have a layer 4 firewall, it's understood that that is a packet filtering firewall. So packet filtering firewall examining the packet header. You can think of packet headers as being a metadata for the actual data being transmitted, because the header containing the addressing information for the source and target, as well as the descriptive information about the protocol type and so on. So this would be a header like IP packet header, TCP header, UDP header, depending on the what's being transmitted. Protocol types such as the ICMP type 8 packets can be examining, and decision can be made as the whether or not traffic is allowed and denied. Now ICMP packet are echo requests. So whenever we are ping the command for the whenever we apply the ping for remote host to verify it is available or not. So we can also base packet filtering rule on source address for many types of, including the hardware hardware address means MAC address. So built-in network interface, the IPv4 address, IPv6 address, as well as the port address. Now now where the MAC address identifies the network interface can't be changed. The IPv4 and IPv6 addresses are software-based address, so which identify the software, and port address is identify the service on the host. So when we say that about the MAC address can't be changed, there are always tools that allow to forge those type of things. But generally speaking, MAC address is fixed. We have the same type of address available as the destination address. Means MAC address is available for source address as well as the destination address. And remember, for example, if we are talking about the IP header, we have a source address as well as the destination IP address. All aspect of the packet can be forged, not just the MAC address but source address, the payloads or the data part of the packet and so on. So we always have to take with this grain of salt. Inbound and outbound traffic comes through a specific interface, and when we built our packet filtering rule set, we can we can take a look at where the network is origin from. Did it come into the firewall, or we are talking about the traffic going out, and rules can be applied accordingly. So this subject means this topic is very important for the as the firewall's perspective, because it's contained all about the headers, TCP, UDP, protocol type, source address, destination address. Remember, the entire packets are easily forged inbound, outbound through a specific network. These are the very important topic for the packet filtering. So all the packet filtering depend on this object.